Hi everyone, I am back with a new day of LeetCode session. Today we are going to solve question number 345. Reverse vowels of a string. This is a very simple problem. Let's read the statement for better understanding. Given a string S, reverse only the vowels in the string and return it. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and they can appear in both lower and upper cases. More than once. It means it's wants to say that we have to just the reverse vowels into a string. You can see that in example number one, you can see that ice cream here is written in ice cream, and this is not the in all smaller case and lower case. This is mix. You can see that the I is capital and E is small c capital. It means this is not proper string. You can see that we have to just the reverse only vowels. Even they have the upper lower case. Let's see the output is A C E R A C R E I M. Here we can see that the I is gone back and A is coming to front. You can see and the E are both same. So we have no there is replaced, but we are not noticing that. And you can see that the here is the explanation. The vowels is vowels in S R I E E A. On reversing the vowels becomes the this string. You can see that, and the in example number two, you can also see that the lead code. You can see that the here is double E O E. Total four letters are the vowels. Here the E comes the front end, the this E comes into back. You can see that, and the O comes the front and the E here E go on the back. That's it. Let's see the example for us. Let's see the code for better understanding. Firstly, we will create the n boolean function for the checking the character is upper character is vowels or not. Let's see. The bool give answer and we will pass character x. That's it. And firstly, we will convert into firstly we will convert it into the lowercase because we have because otherwise we have to the check all conditions. Here lower to lower, and we will pass just x and return x is equal to a or and x is equal to e x is equal to a e I x is equal to a I O, and last is x is equal to u. That's it. You see that the here brightness total of five conditions a e I sorry here becomes o u. You see that here total five conditions are come. If the only one condition are true, it will returns true. Let's see the main code. Here we make the big mistake. Just here we have to write here. That's it. Let's see the main code. Integer I is equal to 0. Integer j is equal to s dot size minus 1 because we are using the two pointer approach. And while I less than j, and again while and I must be less than j, and condition uh, give. I will explain this the code at and firstly I just write code. Here we call the give answer function and I plus plus. That's it. And again same for j, same for j minus minus, j minus minus, that's it. Here we just use the j, and after this swap s of I and s of j, and I plus plus and j minus minus. That's it. And just we will return s. Let's run this code. Here you can see that our two test cases are passed. Let's I explain you code. Here you can see that firstly created a function that will check the character is vowels or not. Here you can see that the this here we called the function. And firstly, let's see I is equal to 0. This is the starting point of a string, and this is the ending point of string j is equal to s dot size minus 1. And the while loop, you can see that the while loop will run until uh, I less than j. Here you can see that the inside while loop, you can see I less than j, and the give answer, uh, s of I. If this condition is true, will not true, then the I plus plus, it means I explain you that here we can see that this is the I, and this when will the this here go the code, it will become, it will returns the true answer, and this condition will be false. That's the reason is it will this loop is end, and the directly come into this loop, and this starts from the ending point of the string. Here we can see that here is m, and this condition will true, but this will not true. Sorry, this will also true. Here it will return the false, and we are just converting the false into true, and the j minus minus. And you can see that the after minusing, it will becomes, it will go for a, and the answer becomes becomes true, and the it will loop pass, and here we have I and a, both are the vowels, and we just swap here for the reversing, and again I plus plus and j minus minus. That's it. So let's submit it code. Here we can see that the our test cases are passed, and this is that's it. And the time complexity is of n square, and the space complexity is of 1. And thank you for watching. I will come tomorrow with a new concept of new lead code. And thank you.